Hello gamers and fellow foodies. Got an air fryer? Like barbecue chicken? Here's a simple, easy, delicious recipe that literally anyone with an air fryer can make. For this video, I'll be using the Philips Digital Twin TurboStar XXL. Start with a pack of chicken leg quarters. Remove the skin by either pulling it off by hand or using a knife to cut it away. Rinse off the chicken and move each piece to a plate or cooking tray. Using your dry rub, sprinkle a nice full dusting across each piece until they're all fully coated. Place the chicken in the air fryer and position the pieces so that there's very little overlapping. Set the cooking temperature at 400 degrees, the timer at 20 minutes, and begin. After 20 minutes, pull the basket from the air fryer and shake it a bit. This keeps the chicken from sticking to the basket. Close the fryer back up and cook at 325 for 15 minutes. After round 2, pull the chicken from the basket and place each piece on a plate or cooking tray. And now it's time for the good stuff. Using your favorite barbecue sauce, give each piece of chicken a nice dousing. And with a basting brush or a spoon, spread the sauce over each piece until they're all fully coated. And finally, give the chicken one last round in the fryer on 325, this time for only 6 minutes. When the timer sounds, your barbecue chicken should be done, tender, and ready to devour. And that is all there is to it. Bon appetit, my friends.